Hi, this is Neil Morse with Vital Signs of Wealth, and this video is for nurses that have to deal with doctors. And it's going to help you get more desired results from them. How about that? So first, the very common thing that we're using these days is the SBAR, which is Situation, Background, Assessment, and Recommendation. When it comes time for the recommendation, we're going to use a little thing called NLP. That's Neuro-Linguistic Programming. You can look it up online, it'll tell you more about it, or you can email me and I'll tell you more about it. So the very first thing you're going to do when it comes to the recommendation is you're going to give options. No one likes to be told what to do. Nobody, especially doctors. So give like 2 or 3 options. The second thing you're going to do is when you give the options, you're going to list the option that you would like them to do last. Now, people are more likely to pick the last option when given options than the first. Don't ask me, I don't know why, and for some reason, men are even more likely to do that. And again, don't ask me, I don't know why. I'm sure you have a comment that you would like to put about that. Use this. Take it out on the street and do it. Do it at home. Test it out. Have fun with it. Stay connected. Get tuned in. Subscribe and receive more free information for everything. This is Neil with the Vital Signs of Wealth. See you soon.